Hello everybody, my name is Anukta Mukherjee Ghosh and I have been painting for the past 8 years, and although my works have been exhibited in many parts of the country as well as outside, and I have my artworks have been sold in many establishments across the world and also to individuals. I believe it's great to turn to being a learner from time to time to hone one's skill. In fact, I believe in being a lifelong learner. And with that in mind, I had attended Parag Borse's soft pastel workshop. I have seen his works in India Art Festival, and I have really loved his works, really in awe of his mastery over his portraits and his mastery over soft pastels. So what I loved, it was a very exhilarating 4 days that he had with us, and what I loved was his simplification of the drawing process, into simple shapes and beginning from there. And through the help of his very extended detailed video, it was easy to catch on to his technique and usage of colors, maintaining the soft pastels, how to maximize them, how to blend colors, where to blend them with fingers, where to leave them unblended. All those minute details could be well understood through observation. And I also did a work with him during this workshop, which I'm really very proud of and I really like. I have never done a soft pastel work of that size before, although I've done many large acrylics and some charcoals as well. What I really liked about my takeaway from this workshop with him would be his philosophy, his thoughts on art. It resonated a lot with me. I loved it when he said that no amount of technical prowess and skills would be enough unless one has the ability to be absolutely blank while painting, unless one has the ability to completely immerse oneself and be in the absolute moment while painting, because it's the joy that gets that an artist gets while painting or while sketching that is unparalleled, and that is something which cannot be explained, expressed, only felt while doing the work, and that is something which resonates with the viewer as well. So he really emphasized and talked about that aspect, and that is something which was my biggest takeaway. He also gave practical inputs on how one should approach exhibitions, and what kind of a mindset one should have when preparing for exhibitions, or even when exhibiting per se. And these are the things which really helped me and reinforced my existing thoughts about art. So thank you very much, Parag Borse, for your wonderful workshop.